Hey guys, and it's time for the full review of Android 9.0 Pie on the Nokia 6.1 or Nokia 6 2018, and this thing is officially available. That means you can just check for the software update and you will receive OTA. And I really appreciate Nokia for this, because at this point not even a single brand has started pushing this latest software on any mid-range smartphone. And also, if you own a Nokia 6.1 Plus or Nokia 7 Plus, this update is officially available, so you can go and check for the update section. So yeah, first off I'm gonna show what Google has added and then what Nokia has added, and at last we are going to talk about the performance and battery life. So first thing first, the booting speed has been improved and it is now a bit faster than the previous operating system, and the user interface is totally different from what you have seen till now. We have a brand new notification panel and quick setting tiles. The volume options are new and so is the power menu. And the major change is these icons are a part of 2018 material design, so something impressive. Alright, so taking a look at all the applications, Google has updated all of these to material design. You will find a major difference in the user interface. Here is the dialer, messenger, camera application. You wanted to see the camera application, so here's it. And taking a look at the settings, there you have the brand new user interface. You will see a bunch of new options including the gestures, and this thing is really cool. You can just swipe up for the recents and slide it to switch between different applications, so something new. And there is also new recent settings. Everything is basically similar to what you have seen in the official Android Pie, which is available for Pixel and other smartphones. Now let's take a look at the security patch level, and it's October 2018. Now for the Nokia 6.1 Plus and the Nokia 7 Plus, and I think in future Nokia is definitely going to add this dashboard application for the Nokia 6 2018. Dashboard basically tracks all your activity and it's going to track the usage of your applications. And there's so much to talk about the new features in the Android Pie. There's adaptive battery, which saves your battery. You get a new DND mode. So basically you can explore the settings and you will find a tons of new options. Go check it out. Okay, so now let's talk about the performance and battery life. This thing is faster than previous operating system in terms of performance. I mean, the opening and closing animations are way faster. There are no force close. Definitely you are going to notice a huge difference after updating. It's way speedy than Oreo. And also about the battery life, I've seen a lot of improvement. Pi is basically battery centric only, so you will notice a decent battery improvement. So talking about the bugs, there are some random lags, but that's totally fine. You can just remove them after resetting your device. However, not everyone is going to reset their phones, so you are going to face tiny bit of lags. And also a major bug, sometimes after changing the wallpaper, this white bar appears, which sometimes goes away on its own, and sometimes you need to change the wallpaper again to make it go. So this is it guys, my full review on the Nokia 6.1 or Nokia 6 2018. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and peace out.